Hi, my name is Nathan John. I'm the founder of ReWise and we're based in Mumbles, and I studied economics at Swansea University. Studying at Swansea University and getting my degree, it really kind of gave me the confidence to realise I could achieve my aims and ambitions in life. I went into my third year not knowing I was dyslexic, so I really only had grades of 40%. Then I got diagnosed with being dyslexic with about 4 weeks to go till my final exam. And for me, that was an opportunity. I got more time, I got support from I worked harder than ever before, and I got 80% in most of my modules. So that really showed me that I could push myself to work hard, and ultimately I could apply that to starting a business. Over the last 15 years, we've used music to teach people the GCSE syllabus via a brand Learn Through Music. We've also run workshops using music, using technology to look into quite serious, hard-hitting topics, but again, to introduce them in a fun, creative, different way. In the past 5 years, we've really focused it on adding social value to businesses and trying to work with companies to help them realise their social objectives and ultimately to make the world a better place. Over the years, it's been fantastic to kind of have the enterprise team in my corner, so to speak. And I think it's evolved a lot as well. You know, it's great to see now some of the students putting together projects whilst they're in university and actually starting their business and getting access to the kind of wide range of support that is available. My advice to students that are thinking of starting a business would be just to do it. I mean, honestly, I think the hardest thing is actually taking that first step. Don't let the fear hold you back. As soon as you start, if you work hard, you'll bring the opportunities. And for me, it's like a computer game, then you go up the levels until you ultimately reach your aim. If I can do it, you guys can do it, so just go for it.